It is Orisa Oyawumi. How's everybody on this Oshay Jakuta? I want to share two songs on Oshay Jakuta, one for Oya and one for Shango. So the first one goes, and I'm not a singer, just letting you know in advance. Oya mapa mi oe, Oya mapa mi oe. Motifi agbogbo Shango ya mapa mi, Oya mapa mi oe, Oya mapa mi oe. Motifi agbogbo Shango, Oya mapa mi. Oya, please do not kill me. Oya, please do not kill me. I have given offering of ram to your husband, Shango. Oya, please do not kill me. The next song is for Shango God BC. I love Shango. He walks real close with me. Here we go. Omo kekereo, moso keleo, moso kele, agba lagba, moso keleo, moso kele, Shango maso milo kun lofun, moso keleo, moso kele, omo kekereo, moso keleo, moso kele, agba lagba, moso keleo, moso kele, Shango maso milo kun lofun, moso kele, Shango maso milo kun lofun, moso kele. That song is talking about the children are wearing the beads of Shango. The beads, the traditional name for the beads for Shango is Kele. Hope I'm pronouncing it right for all you linguists out there trying. So the young, the children are wearing the beads of Shango. The elders, the Agbalagba, are wearing the beads of Shango. Let's praise Shango. I praise Shango. We all praise Shango. So you have two new songs and the meanings for the song for this Oshay Chakuta. I will try my best to share more songs. I'm going to start sharing Oriki. As you know, I'm an advocate for Isheshe.